Okay, so in this video we will see how we can increase the spam detection from the Plesk panel. So when you log into the Plesk, go to the mail option, go to the mail accounts. Here you need to click on any one of the email ID where you want to set up the settings for the spam filter. So suppose here you don't see the spam filter. If that is the case, just inform our team in support and our team can enable the additional option of spam filter here. So let me pause the video. I will get back once it's enabled from the admin side. Okay, so we have enabled the spam filter on this account from the admin side. So now we click on any email ID and you will now see spam filter as an option. So first of all, you should enable. I would highly suggest you use this option to move to the junk email folder. By default it would be 7. Now you can click here and can read about how these threshold works. So here it can have more details. So what they're saying here is all the messages that score 7 or more points classified as spam. So what we will suggest you never use below 5, but for time being you can do it 6 and then okay. So once you said this as a okay, now more of the suspicious mails would be into the spam folder. Suppose for any reason, if you are very sure you want to increase more sensitivity in spam, then highest we will suggest 5. We will never suggest 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise your even regular mails will be marked as spam. So try with 6, and if it doesn't work for any specific email ID, then try with 5. And this is how you can have more spam protection onto your mailbox. Please understand, spam is a real problem. When our email ID gets older, we get more of the spam issue because over the period of time we share our email ID to many places, many websites, many forms, and every one of them keep on sending us mail. Not every one of them, but majority of them. So it depends on where you have distributed your email ID. If you have distributed your email ID to lots of places, some spam are normal. Even we see spam is an issue even with your Gmail mailbox or any other leading mail provider you have. So never expect, even if you have expectation of 100% spam filter, there is no such spam filter. But by doing this, it should minimize the spam. Try with 6, try with 5 otherwise, and that's how you fix it.